Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT lagging and slow responses so you can get back to work without the frustration of watching for every word to appear. There are several reasons why ChatGPT might be dragging its feet, including server congestion during peak hours or issues with your own browser and internet connection. If you notice that ChatGPT is taking too long to respond, first thing you should do is refresh your browser page or restart the app to clear any temporary glitches. Another very effective fix is to start a new chat because extremely long conversation force the AI to process a huge amount of history every time you send a message, which causes significant lag. You can also try clearing your browser cache and cookies or opening ChatGPT in an incognito window to see if a background extension like an ad blocker is interfering with the performance. It is also important to check your internet speed because a weak connection can make the AI appear slow when the real issue is just data latency. If you are using a VPN, you might want to disable it as this can sometimes route your traffic through distant servers and slow down the response time. For users who need maximum speed, it is often helpful to switch to a lighter model like GPT-4 Mini or use ChatGPT during off-peak hours when fewer people are online. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a much smoother and faster experience with the AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.